My name is Sandra Essex and welcome to my channel. My channel is all about empowering people to be able to live their dreams. We do reviews on companies, products, tools, money making, and self-improvement tips. We feel that this is the foundation of information to help you be able to start living your dreams. They say that knowledge is power, but it's only power when you apply what you have learned. Let's take this journey together because you and I, we all have dreams that we're working hard and still want to accomplish in life. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, today's review is on a company called MELAS. Now this company, MELAS, is a trading club. Its founder is Jeremy Presato, and the company was founded on or about around 2018. Okay, so it's a relatively new company, okay? And this right here is one of the training website pages, and this person right here is just a member of the company. But the company is a MLM that offers a trading platform for cryptocurrency and Forex. And it also offers a network marketing opportunity attached to it. The company claims that it does business in 160 countries, and to me it's something similar to another trading company called iMarkets Live, where they have an educational platform to teach you how to trade in the Forex market. Okay, so this company right here has been getting quite a lot of buzz over the internet, so I thought that we would look into it just in case we have any of our audience that's interested in learning more about this company. I'm going to leave 2-3 websites in the description so you can do your due diligence and read in depth about this company. Okay, this website right here is going to tell about the basics, the trading, the marketing. It tells what different programs they offer. It has some testimonials about people who are using the trading platform. It lets you... It says that you can join the training today for free, and some of the skills and experience of international network marketing and internet marketing leaders in the MELAS Trading Club is at your disposal. Okay, so it's just a really... you're really not getting too much information from this site. That's one thing that caught my attention, and it has been so hard for me just to find the corporate website. That's another thing that's sticking out in my mind. Why is it so hard to find a company website? Now at the bottom of this page right here, it gives you a link to go to if you want to learn more about the company. It gives you a link that you click. Now, when I click that link, it's not taking me to a website, the company's website. It's taking me to this little sign-on right here. So it seems like something is secretive about the company. It's so hard to really find out exactly an open book on this company. So the only thing you basically know is that it is a MLM trading company, company that helps you trade in the Forex and cryptocurrency market, and it's a learning platform attached to a network marketing company. So the next link that I would like to show you is some reviews that I have found from reliable sources in the industry, and I really feel if you have been approached by this company and that you're thinking about getting involved, I think that you should do your due diligence on this company. And I'm going to leave these 2 articles in my description section. This first article is from the MLM, basically watchdog site, okay? And They give you a thorough breakdown on this site. And some of the things that has been brought to their attention is that when they first had their website up, that you really can't find right now, it said that it had registered offices in the United States and Nevada. And now they say that when you go to this page, that the United States Nevada registered clause is taken off. Okay, this is a little breakdown of their products, and I think you should pay attention to this. It seems like it's a lot of upfront money coming out of your pocket right away for a company that hasn't been even tested with time in the industry. If they have a course that they sell, the Forex Mastery course. It offers trading strategies, analysis, daily live session, and a video session. Now, it's for 90 days, not a lifetime or a month or a year, 90 days, and you're paying $450 for that. And then they have an escape package where you're learning coin analysis, daily live cryptocurrency trading, and video library. That one is $450 for 90 days, okay? And I'm sure you cannot learn how to trade on the markets in 90 days. I know that for a fact. Okay, then they have Melius Experience. It combines the adventure and the escape pack. $600 for 90 days, $999 for 180 days, and $1,800 for 365 days. So it seems like you're going to be really up in the 365, because learning forex trading and crypto trading, that's a big learning curve. So you're not going to learn it in 6 months or 90 days. So you're looking at initially $1,800 for this training course. Oh, so then they have this other program here called GoPro Forex. And it's a $3,000 package for a 90-day subscription. You know, not a year subscription, 6 months, but 90 days. So it seems like they're wanting a lot of money up front, okay? On this site, they're going to break down the compensation plan. It is a binary, so it tells you all the ins and outs of their compensation plan. Okay, and then it gives you some information about that the initial affiliate membership cost is $45, you know, but everything else that you have to buy to get started. And this is a great site for you to come and look at to, you know, get well informed about this company. And then another site that I'm going to leave for you is the Online Wealth Chronicles. And they do a very good breakdown on, is this company a scam or is Melius legit? And I think these two websites you need to really look at. It talks about, you know, the founder. It gives you information on the partners, and it's just a lot of things that you need to look at if you're interested in or thinking about getting involved with this company. It goes over the retail commissions, the sponsoring commissions, the residual incomes that comes from the binary part of the program. It talks about the matching bonus residual. So these two websites is going to give you a lot of information on this company, and their breakdown is, when they talk about Melius, is it a scam or is it a legitimate company? When you read all of this person basically is giving it a shaky thumbs down. You know, that at this time, his closing thoughts is that this is not a company that he would join at this point, that you need to research it a little bit more. So I am going to leave a lot of information in the in my description section so you really can look at this company. But this watchdog website said at this time we do not recommend this opportunity for the issues that we mentioned earlier. And like I said, I just did a cursory overview, but I am going to leave these three website links in my description so you can take a serious look at this company. Now at this time what I do is usually give some pros and cons on what I think about these companies that we review. And on this one, at this point, I really don't have too many pros, but some of the cons I see is that it's a lot of upfront money coming out of your pocket on a company that's has not been proven. Okay, and then also in these articles you're gonna find they tell about two co-founders, Moan and Moni Islam, and they're co-founders of this company, and they have been in have ripped people out of millions of dollars in a company called OneCoin. So that right there raises red flags to me too on this company. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I hope that you have found some value with this review. If you did get some value with this review, please give me a thumbs up and a like, and please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or comments, again, I do respond to all my questions and comments. And if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, take a look at the link below this description. Feel free to take a look. Get back with me if you have any questions, because again, I do answer all my questions. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, this is Sandra Essex signing out. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click that bell icon so you'll be notified when I release my next video. With that being said, take care. I hope you have a fantastic evening, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on my next review.